This video, we're going to unbox the Belker 90-watt universal laptop charger. Now, there was one thing about this universal laptop charger kit that caught my attention. And after you see this video, maybe you will agree that this is the one to have. Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe. Okay, it comes in a brown paper box. Nothing real flashy. It says it like it is. Belker 90-watt universal adapter. It's reminding you to read the user guide and all safety warnings. And some other stuff on this side of the box. Very important, contact information. Now, let's look inside and see what's in the box. Here's the power cord with a figure 8 connection. Look carefully, you're going to get 16 adapters, and one of these, the star, is a USB Type-C. And it's that USB Type-C adapter that got my attention. With this many adapters, there's plenty of flexibility. The charger. Here's some information on the charger itself. Documentation. Here's the user guide. Be sure to get you a closer look at this. Now, I'm going to recommend looking at the Amazon page for this. I'll leave the link below just to check compatibility for your devices. And this is what comes in the box. A closer look at the adapters. This will bring us to the end of this video. If you found this video a benefit, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.